This is a country that relies heavily on government spending, which is derived from oil revenues. Well, the government has done a very smart thing. They've accumulated reserves over the past 5 years almost, and we've seen the country's reserves at the highest level ever. So this puts the government at a very comfortable place where government spending will continue, as we have seen from the 2015 budget, at the same pace, albeit a little slightly higher than 2014. However, we don't think that this decline in oil prices will be long-lasting. Generally, the predictions are 12 to 18 months to rebound. Where will it rebound to? That remains a question, open question. But we feel that this is still a reasonable price where the government spending can continue as strong as it has historically been in recent years. So we don't see a short-term impact on the Saudi economy at this stage. The outlook for the Saudi economy is still positive. The growth may slow down slightly, but as I said, without any major impact. In 2002, when oil prices were going up, some of the economists came out and said, if oil hits $100 per barrel, China will collapse. China still exists. So I don't necessarily trust what economists say. I think the comparison is a bit difficult because we're comparing developed markets with emerging markets, if you want to say that about Saudi. So it's very difficult to compare, but with emerging markets there are more opportunities and higher returns to be achieved than developed markets in general. So we see more opportunities in the Saudi market. We see a lot of emphasis on bringing FDIs into the Saudi economy. And we see it implemented in so many different areas, and the establishment of SAGIA was a first step. The economic cities initiatives were an important step to bring FDIs into the country, and to some extent they've worked so far, not as fast as we would wish, but it's still working and it's still in the works. And now we're seeing more steps into opening the market for foreign investments, and that is just to tell you that there are opportunities in the Saudi market. It represents 60% of the GCC industry or economy as a whole. So it is the biggest or the largest country in the region with a huge economy and quite a lot of potential.